You think you know tomatoes? Think again. There are over 10,000 different varieties of tomatoes worldwide. 10,000! From tiny cherry tomatoes the size of a pea to giant beefsteaks weighing over 2 kilograms. There are purple tomatoes, black tomatoes, striped tomatoes, even fuzzy tomatoes. And you've probably only tasted like 5 of them. Tomato world is huge.
People in Europe used to think tomatoes were deadly poison. No joke. In the 1700s, wealthy Europeans would eat tomatoes on pewter plates, and people would literally drop dead after eating. But here's the twist. It wasn't the tomatoes killing them. It was the lead from their fancy pewter plates. The tomatoes' acidity would pull the lead from the plates and, well, you can guess the rest. So tomatoes got blamed for centuries for being poisonous, when they were actually innocent the whole time. Poor tomatoes.
A tomato is more complex than you. Scientists discovered that tomatoes have about 35,000 genes. Humans? We only have around 20,000 to 25,000. That's right. A simple tomato is genetically more complex than a human being. Scientists and people still call them simple vegetables. Nature is wild, y'all. Follow for more mind-blowing food science.